Discover the top 6 foods that can help keep your arteries clear and support heart health. A diet rich in certain nutrients can prevent the development of atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in your arteries. In this video, we explore how these heart-healthy foods work to maintain optimal blood vessel function and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. In addition, certain foods contain vitamins, minerals, and other heart-healthy compounds that have anti-atherosclerotic effects and can help prevent clogged arteries. In this video, we explore how these heart-healthy foods work to maintain optimal blood vessel function and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 1. Oily fish. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines, are rich sources of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are unsaturated fats that have cardioprotective properties that reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve endothelium function, thereby reducing the risk of arterial plaque. 2. Green leafy vegetables. Examples: kale, collard greens, spinach, arugula, and bok choy. Benefits: rich in nitrate, which converts to nitric oxide to dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing plaque buildup. They also provide potassium, essential for cardiovascular health, which helps control vascular calcification and keep arteries soft and flexible. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, hazelnuts, pine nuts, pumpkin seeds. Benefits: rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that reduces LDL cholesterol oxidation, a significant contributor to arterial plaque. 4. Garlic. Garlic is rich in anti-inflammatory phytochemicals, supports balanced cholesterol levels, and has antiplatelet effects, preventing blood clots and reducing the risk of clogged arteries. 5. Pomegranates. Rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that reduces LDL cholesterol oxidation, a significant contributor to arterial plaque. 6. Natto. This traditional Japanese food is made from fermented soybeans and is a rich source of nattokinase, an enzyme that breaks down fibrin, reducing blood clots and existing arterial plaque. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining a healthy heart and clean arteries. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet.